mythology, there are 8 elemental gods representing aspects of nature. They are called Vasu. One day, 8 Vasus were traveling on earth with their wives when they came across says Vashishta's ashram. Outside the ashram, they saw Nandini, Vashishta's divine cow, whose milk gives everlasting life. One of the wives was taken in so much by the beauty of the cow that she requested her husband Pravasha to bring Nandini to her. Pravasha tried to persuade his wife to forget about the cow, but despite many attempts by Pravash, his wife did not yield. She made imploring requests and melted Pravash's heart. He agreed, and thus, assisted by other 7 Vasus, he took Nandini and his calf by force and disappeared. Rishi Vashishta had been away from his hermitage at that time. When he returned and found Nandini missing, he was surprised. Through his divine vision, he saw everything that had happened and cursed the 8 Vasus to be born as mortal men in this world. When the Vasus came to know about their curse, they begged Rishi Vashishta for forgiveness. On their pleading, Vashishta agreed to reduce the curse for 7 Vasus. He set them to go to Devi Ganga, the river goddess, and asked her to be their mother on earth, as only her holy water could only relieve them from their curse. But since Prabhash was the one who actually stole the cow, the curse would remain in full effect for him, and he would have to live his full lifetime on earth and suffer a mortal's fate. Relieved to hear this, the Vasus approached Devi Ganga and requested her to be their mother on earth and throw them into the river as soon as they were born. Ganga agreed and came to earth. She became King Shantanu's wife to carry out her task.